Hi guys, it's V here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve mini twist on my natural hair. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned. The products I'll be using are the Cantu leave-in conditioner, the coconut coiling cream, oil, olive oil, water in a spray bottle, some hair ties, combs of various sizes for detangling. So I take down the first section and then I spray some water on my hair to make sure my hair is damp, and then I massage the water into my hair. Then I take some amount of my candle leave-in conditioner and then I apply it onto my hair. I make sure I get my ends, and then I take my olive oil, pour a little amount onto my palm and rub between my palms and then apply onto my hair also. I take some more olive oil and then I apply onto my ends. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair. They need moisture the most. Then I take my coiling cream, which is my styler, and then I apply it onto my hair. I make sure I massage it thoroughly into my hair. Then I twist up the section and I do the same thing, apply all these products on all the sections on my hair. So I take down the first section and I detangle properly with a wide tooth comb. Then I create a smaller section I'm going to be working with, which I'm going to be twisting. And then I take my Cantu coiling cream, my styling product, and apply onto my section, and then I detangle properly with my combs to make sure my twist is smooth. Then I start twisting. I twist all the way till I get to the end. And when I get to the end, I twirl round my finger and then I take a pair of scissors and trim off the ends to make sure my twist looks neat. I'm about halfway through. I create a neat horizontal part with my rat tail comb. Then I create a smaller section that I'll be twisting up. I spray the section with water and then I apply my coconut coiling cream onto the section. I massage it thoroughly into my hair. Then I take my wide tooth comb and I comb my hair properly, making sure to detangle very well. I also use my smaller combs. Then I divide my hair into two sections and I start twisting. I pull my hair and then I twist. I pull, twirl around my finger and then twist. Pull, twirl and twist. So after a while, I move the twist to the side so that my hands can relax a bit, and then I continue twisting. And when I get to where I feel my hair is a bit knotted, then I comb further and apply some more products and continue twisting. And when I get to the end, I comb again with my small comb and then I twirl around my finger and using a pair of scissors, I trim it. So onto the front section, I create the main part for the hairstyle. So for me, I'll be going with a side part. So from this section here, I'm going to make 3 subsections. So 1, 2, and 3. I keep away the other sections and then I'll start twisting the front section. So mini twists are great protective styles because they are low manipulation hairstyles. Once you make them in, you don't need to manipulate your hair so much. until you're ready to take it out and make something else. So these styles can last for about 2 weeks to a month, depending on how long you want to keep them in. And it took me 4 hours to make this hairstyle because my hair is long. If your hair is shorter, it might take you less time. And when you're twisting, try to share your hair into two equal parts so that at the end you don't need to borrow hair. So twists are great hairstyles for those that don't like adding extensions to their hair. Maybe you just want a natural look, like the natural queen look, and they sure help to retain length. Because there was a time I did twist for about 3 months, and I kid you not, I saw a great difference in the length of my hair. I would make them in for a month, and then at the end of that month, I would wash my hair, condition, deep condition, and all of that, and make the same twist again for the next month, wash, and then make again. And seriously, my hair grew. So if you're trying to grow your hair, you should consider this. So to reduce shrinkage of your twist before going to bed, put them in a ponytail or two ponytails with an elastic band. Saturate it with water. Then you can see how fast I am. Like. Now for the last time, if you didn't get it before, listen up. Take some product, apply onto the section, massage it into the section, comb thoroughly with your wide tooth comb and your medium size and small comb. Then you take this section and start twisting. Twist until you get to the end, and as you go, detangle when needed, and then continue twisting. And when you get to the end, you twirl and trim. So here are a few ways to style your twist as a bonus. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. Comment down what you think about the hairstyle. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Share this video and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.